Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use camping light, or like the TorchX, that's what it's called, on your Xever 7 Pro. As you can see, there is a flashlight on the back, but if you want to use an actual torch, you can use it here. And now to use it, there are two methods. You can either slide down from the right top part of your screen, then find super flashlight, click on it, and now it is on. It is like really bright. You can, I think, press and hold on it to change the brightness level or disable it. And now you can also map it to one of the quick buttons. To do that, go to the settings and now find left shortcut key or right shortcut key. I'll do the left one, and for long press I'll set it to open flashlight. Then it locks single click and double click, so single and double click don't work when open flashlight is assigned to like any of these. And then when I press and hold, it opens flashlight. When I click, it toggles brightness. When I double click, it switches to this blinking mode, this stroboscope mode, and when I press and hold again, it turns the flashlight off. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.